Hi guys, welcome to Tech Civil and Quality Baba channel by Naveen Kumarpati. Today we are going to know about our duties, that how can we do best for the environment on World Earth Day, that is today April 22nd. So as a brief I will go, how can we save the Mother Earth by doing proper things in a perfect manner, by proper designing, reducing the concrete quantity, like just like void slabs we can design, and provision of soak pits at roads and buildings for groundwater recharge. At every place we should provide our soak pits for groundwater recharge. Solar energy usage by providing solar panels at each and every places, and recycling of water, but this can be done by, like for whatever the vegetables you have washed, you can use those water for uh, planting plant your plants. And wastewater should not be released directly into the rivers and oceans. This we have been observing in past few days and few weeks, that we are not discharging our waste into the rivers, like river Ganga, river Yamuna, and those are perfectly all right as of now, since we are not discharging our industrial waste or wastewater into the rivers. And proper waste management, which can be done by each and every person, but civil engineer, as a civil engineer you should properly design to all homes and all houses and all proper industries. Reducing the river cost, do the perfect thing at perfect time. Reducing the river can be done by the perfect thing at perfect for the first time. Like if you do following SOP, standard operating procedures, at correct time, then you save the time, money, as well as it will be good for the environment, because cement alone contributes the 1/3 of the pollution to the environment. As a civil engineer, we should decrease the usage of cement by doing the work for the first time itself. Perfect work at first time itself. The rework not only reduces the cost, but also it is safe for the environment. And uh, the reusage of the resources, reusage of the resources can be done by proper making reclaimed asphalt pavements, like RAPS is recently very common. By doing this we can save the environment, because we are depleting the natural resources like gravel and quarry. By establishing quarry not only disturbs the air, so air pollution, not only increases the air pollution, sound pollution, and it also increases the this one water pollution also. By we are since we are using those much water for quarrying and crushing and making goods from scrap. Usage from scrap also we can do the good things, just like using the waste plastic we can make the polypropylene geocomposites and geogrids. By providing the geocomposites and geogrids at roads and buildings, it gives a very good strength in flexure. And usage of GGBS, fly ash, etc., silica fumes, etc., in making of the concrete, it not only decreases the cost of concrete, it also decreases the environment. It is environment pollution, it is safe. And usage of the concrete waste, from the concrete waste also we can produce aggregates proportions. By that we can reuse the as aggregates we can reuse it for our production of further concrete. And further moving, the best quote I have seen in the internet today is, take care of the environment will take care of your economy. Like the tsunamis and flash floods, and like these are all, we are deteriorating our the natural resources by increasing the carbon in the nature, carbon dioxide and nitric oxides in the nature which are poisonous. So be safe, do safe for the environment. Thank you.